welcome to Open. I'm Rhina Valentin, your host y Café con Leche for the next hour. Always inviting you to get social with us online. Tweet us and follow us on Instagram at BronxNet TV or like us on Facebook at Open BronxNet Television. And of course, don't forget, while you're there, follow moi, Twitter, Instagram, FB, Insta Stories, LinkedIn, and Snapchat at Rhina Valentin. It's Friday, and I'm sure many of you can't wait to enjoy the weekend. So let's check out some Open Weekend previews. It's the first Friday of the month, and the Bronx Museum of the Arts is holding its first Friday Pride Mixer. You and some friends can have a nice glass of wine and a meaningful conversation around the latest exhibition, The Life and Times of Alvin Baltrop. And this event will be taking place today, September 6th at 6 p.m. The exhibition will be on display until February 9th, 2020. The Bronx Museum of the Arts is located at 1040 Grand Concourse. And for more information, visit thebronxmuseum.org. The Mind Builders Creative Arts Center is holding a street festival talent show, and all talents are welcome. The auditions will be taking place on Friday, September 6th from 4 to 6 p.m. Mind Builders Creative Arts Center is located at 3415 Allenville Avenue. To schedule an audition, call 718-652-6256. And for more information, visit mind-builders.org. September is also National Sickle Cell Awareness Month, and the QScan is holding its annual walkathon to bring awareness, education, and research about sickle cell to the community. The walkathon will take place Saturday, September 7th, and registrations begin at 8 a.m. on 167th Street. And for more information, please call 718-817-8026. And if you love food and you want to experience the Italian culture, then you might want to check out the Ferragosto Festival. The Ferragosto Festival is an annual event held by the Belmont Improvement District celebrating all things Italian. Attendees will have a first-hand experience to explore Italian culture, food, and music. The Ferragosto Festival will take place on Sunday, September 8th from 12 noon to 6 p.m. It's Fashion Week, and the SEED of ADRIAN Spring-Summer 2020 collection will take place Saturday, September 7th at 8 p.m. with a meet and greet beginning at 7 at the David Rubenstein Atrium in Lincoln Center at the entrance of 62nd and Broadway. RSVP is required by emailing thehouseofalicia@gmail.com.